In this tutorial, we are going to take a tour of controlling music with Josh. To play music easily, tap the microphone icon in the bottom right-hand corner and give a command like, "Play some music in the primary bedroom." Once the command is executed, select the Show Music button to display the music controller view. From this screen, you can change the music volume, play or pause music, skip to the next or previous song, group music zones, and access your favorites. Today, we are going to focus on music navigation, grouping, and searching in the Josh app. We will cover creating new favorite playlists in another video. To navigate through your music, simply press the forward button to skip to the next song, or use the backward button to revisit a previous track. For volume adjustments, utilize the slider located at the bottom of your screen, allowing you to fine-tune the audio levels to your personal preference. To group and ungroup music zones, select the Group button at the bottom of the screen. From here, you can choose new zones to deploy your music to. For this tutorial, select Living Room Sonos, and your music will now play in the living room. To search for music, select the magnifying glass icon next to the back button. From here, you can search by station, song, album, artist, and genre, based on the streaming service you are using. For example, if you search for Taylor Swift, you can filter by any of these categories to find the song, album, or station you want. To change the streaming service, select the icon in the top left corner. This will bring up a menu based on the services connected to your account. You can easily switch from Apple Music to Spotify or any other supported streaming services. To access your favorites, navigate back to the main music player page and select the star icon, which is located next to the forward icon. From here, you can play any of your favorited playlists. To edit the voice triggers that play these playlists, select the three dots next to the play button of the playlist you want to add a voice trigger to. From here, you can set as many aliases as you want. We trust this guide on controlling music with Josh was informative and inspiring. Give it a try and stay tuned for more Josh tips to enjoy your home intelligence experience to the fullest.